Hi guys, this is Jeff Jones, the owner and the founder of theboxman.com, where we've changed the way you should watch TV. I am so stinking excited about the next 5 months. We're going into the month of August and we are already preparing for what I call Black Friday sales. So you can stay tuned for those things. My next video, I'm going to announce the winner of the Z11 Pro Max. Sorry that I've been a little bit late about that, but let's get back into the rhythm of making some great videos. The goal here, of course, is I would love everyone that doesn't have a device to order something from us just to experience kind of what we know, what we've done, and how the majority of our clients, I would say about 97% of them, never ever have issues with their devices. It's super quiet because everything works, because we teach you how to stream, not just streaming with our stuff, but streaming period. That's what matters. So pardon my phone, it's ringing and I should have put the ringer on, but I want to look at this screensaver because I think it's cool, and maybe I'm a little corny, but it's called Aerial Dream. And Aerial Dream is right down here, and we're going to take a look at that. This can be found in the Google Play Store. I fell in love with the screensavers from Aerial Dream when I had my first Kodi box, or box from China, fully loaded, and they had the Aerial Dream on there. So what I want to do is, right now it's on random, and so it's gonna randomly pick certain things. So I really love this so stinking much. So let me go ahead and go through some of the settings here. Let me see if I can get 221. Boom. Change that back to Ultra HD. And let's test the settings. So we'll start. And usually when your box goes into sleep mode, you'll get something like this. And I just think it's really cool off the rip. I love it because my box is saved and I get a random pick from Greenland to Hawaii to whatever it is as it switches over. And what I'll do is I will just let it go for, say, the next, I don't know, 2 to 3 minutes, and just give you a view of what I like. See the ripples in the water? It's got to be a drone. I'm guesstimating. I don't know. But it's cool to have this on your device or on your devices. Now, it does hold some memory. Don't get me wrong, because of all of the quality Ultra HD that you have in the pictures and whatnot. But in the meantime, it's just a great thing to have on your device. So this is Greenland. I'm going to pause it here and wait for it to shift. Maybe it's going to shift now. If not, we're going to just go ahead and pause it real quick. So, oh my God, my phone was ringing and I had the best ones. The jellies are the best. Look at the jellies. Could you imagine swimming with all those jellyfish, those big, that big? Wow. This is my favorite part. I was hoping that they would land on this. Again, this is Aerial Dream. You can find it in the Google Play Store. I believe it's in the Amazon apps, not Amazon, but the App Store for the Apple devices. Not really sure, but it is an application that is available. So this is just something that I think you already should have a screensaver on your devices, but if you just want to ramp it up a little bit, if you're going to be using your streamer like I use mine, I use my media device every single day. And so most people, just want a way to save money off their entertainment bill, and getting your own device with services on it and doing it the legal way is the best way to do it. Now, because of streaming is so mainstream than it was 10 years ago. 10 years ago, streaming in the US was very, like at a lower level, very small. A small percentage of the population knew about it, did anything about it. And so when it started to come out, it looked like it was the best thing ever. Like someone knew. This has been around a long time. It's just that people in the UK or Canada, I would say, or Ireland, across the pond, across the Atlantic. They've been streaming like this for years. But because the laws are different and the pockets are deeper in the US, yeah, they wanted to keep this a secret. But now it's mainstream. You can find streaming anywhere and everywhere. And the most important thing, if you're looking for devices, services, or people that say they know things, if they're not coming by referral, I wouldn't use them. There's all kinds of one and done boxes out there that I wouldn't trust. And you can do your research on the formula boxes about the ones that I recommend. In other words, what I'm saying to you is do your research. Don't just take our word for granted. And also, make sure if you're an older person, a more seasoned person, you don't need to buy the latest and greatest snappy device. You need something that is easy to use, easy for you to maintain within your budget. Because we understand here at theboxman.com that the majority of our seasoned customers are on a limited income. And when you're on a limited income, it's not a slam against you. It's just our wicked world is about other things other than taking care of those who have raised good families, good kids, and things of that nature. Well, we're here to help. If you're on a fixed income, I got the easiest box for you for 150 bucks down, and it just costs you $150 a year, if that. We have different types of devices that really, really, really work. And a lot of our older customers love them because they never go down. And we make sure of that. So with that said, check out Aerial Dream. I think it's one of the best, apps out there. And I think it'll bless your socks off. Hey, if you're interested in seeing some other devices on what we do or what we not, we do have a one and done box. We do have a smaller unit. And the reason we're doing that because Christmas is coming and we want to start a program that we do every year, each one, reach one. So if you buy a box from me and I get you all set up and you reach out to one person that buys a box from me, I'll give you a free box one time. So each one, reach one. If you're interested in that, text us to the number below, contact us. We'd love to get you started.